Hi friends, I will be giving a tutorial on insert into statement using my SQL and my SQL workbench. So to start, I will be using these already made tables that I have. There are 4 tables with this data. So the syntax of the insert into statement is usually insert into table name, where you give the values that you have to insert, and these values have to correspond to the data type of the columns. And for example, you do not have enough values to put in all the columns. You can omit these values by modifying the statement like this: insert into table name, but give the names of the columns that you have to insert the values in, and then write the values corresponding to the data type of the columns you have selected. So now let's insert values into this departments table. We will write insert into departments, that's the table name. Values, let's give it a value of id, that will be 4. Let's name it marketing department, and we will manage it by the employee 104. Now let's run this statement and reload the table. You can see that the marketing department has been added. Similarly, let's insert values into the employees table, but let's omit the values of the email column. We will write the same syntax, but we will now specify the columns of employee ID, first name, last name, department, salary, and hire date. But we will not specify the column of email. And we will write the values that correspond to these columns. First, employee ID, then first name. We will write it as a string. Last name, department ID, salary, and the start date. And we will not write the values for the email column. One thing to note is that the column that you are leaving null should be able to accept null values, else this won't work. Run the query and reload table. You can see the employee has been added, but the email has been left null.